friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking flounder in the air fryer. So for this recipe we need flounder fish, seasonings of your choice, and I'll use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And also I'm going to use a non-stick cooking spray so the fish doesn't stick to the air fryer basket. And if you'd rather not use the spray, you can just brush the bottom of the basket with vegetable oil. So I'm just prepare the basket because you know fish tends to stick. So whatever you use, either a spray or oil, you do need to add it. And now I'm going to take out flounder. So you can cook it either from fresh or frozen. I'm using frozen flounder. So if you're using frozen, you'll just need to cook it longer. To use a frozen one, you don't need to defrost it. Air fryer cooks it straight from frozen. And the exact time of cooking depends on how thick are the fillets. This particular one is very thin flounder fillet, so it will cook pretty quickly. If you're using a thick fillet, then you will need to cook it longer. So just always check the internal temperature to make sure fish is cooked. So I'm going to add frozen flounder to the air fryer basket, and let's add seasonings. So I'm using salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this flounder. It looks amazing, perfectly cooked. Now, if you have thicker fillets, it will probably need more time, so you can always use an instant read thermometer to make sure internal temperature is at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And if it's not 145, then you can put it back in the air fryer for an additional 5 minutes and then check again until it's fully cooked. So let's take the fish out of the air fryer. So I didn't even need to flip it, it's just cooked on both sides. Totally cooked through. Perfect. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It's so tender and delicious. You will love cooking flounder fish in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!